So we got some clutch field speakers here today, some Polks for the G4, and clutch feels really nice. They give you all how to break it down. You got like screws we got to get out first and stuff, and so it should be pretty easy. The hardest part, I don't really like tabs. They like tend to break. So clutch field stuff here shows you got to get the tab piece off there. Got 2 screws, one in the door, one down in here for the fronts. Let's see what he did. He popped that tab. That's what it looks like. Oh good. The tab didn't break. You got to fish that one out of there. Oh no. Okay. Is that? Pop right out. Oh, I thought that up there by that top bolt was, but that's probably part of the mirror setup. So got that tab. Get you in there a little bit next. Now you got to get the door, and then we got to undo the plugs. There's got to be tabs at the bottom too. See, speakers, front door speakers. Easy. That looks pretty good. Leave it on him. I don't know how much we can see right there. Let's go like this. I'm gonna work on the other side. There we go.
Really don't want to come up.
There's got to be a way to slide it, pull it, or something. There's got to be a little catch. What's it look like in foam here? So just that. I use this piece. What I was going to do in front of the so. So I got a tab up at a window switch on the inside there. Yeah, so it looks like a lot of stuff. Shut off the parts. Everything in here. Yep. Just yeah. Did you not get this thing show? No. Whoopsies. There we go. So, oops, I had a piece there. Where's my tab back?
Oh, this is...
Hey, look. So hold on, that white one, you take the flathead and push on it, and it come right out. I'm working on the back on the big one now. But they don't look right. So that comes apart. Heck. Oh, there's a piece in there too, okay. I don't know. Oh. Come on, baby. What is that? That's weird.
Get him out?
I got it. How'd you get the big one out?
I just used my finger and I popped it right out on this piece right here.
Like, I'm trying to get that. I'm using a flathead and it ain't
Fine.
nothing for me. So this was like this. This had to just get pushed in, and this one had a tab like that to get it. Now we gotta take the panel off. I got 1 screw.
2 screws over there.
Where's the other screw at? Oh, in the back. Okay, and that's all it shows. These are bigger, huh? Even a number 2 here, probably get a little more out of it. How many oh, there's one to pay. I got one in the back too, a black one on the outside of the door, trim piece, towards the where the lock, lock. Yeah. Like we would have seen that eventually, but ooh, that's sucky. I need a magnet here for the one. Where's my little flat? That sucks. This guy's tight. Ooh, come on. Oh, look at that, slides. I wonder if I'm gonna get it or if it's gonna fall. That's crazy. All right. So that's where we're at. Woo! Lost you guys. Sorry. Why didn't you put the gear on?
Okay.
Get the back one, the black one off. Yep. I think there's. I wonder if there's any tabs down low. Does it look like tabs?
Looks like tabs all the way around.
Is it? Okay.
Showing something here.
Oh, I gotta get that top piece off. I didn't do
Door
it.
lock release cables.
Yep. Yep. Those are in there. I seen them looking at it when I was looking at it thing. They shouldn't be super hard. Shouldn't is the key word. Ford's the easiest so far. It's just two things and you're in there.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, that one's flying. Oopsies. Oh, I didn't break it. Nope. Thank God I didn't break nothing.
Would you pop off?
I didn't get my cut that piece off. So now we got tabs, you said, all around it. And then it goes up around the door. Oh. Alright, I see one down there. Gotta make it. This thing breaks, that'll suck. Can't see no tab. I hate tabs. Oops, I lost it. Let's see if we make some tabs here. Oh, did you get yours at all?
I've gotten one tab.
Like, did you have to get the handle piece on it in a sense where it like fits in there and just like where the Y is on this thing and just crank it out?
I just like popped on it and it popped right out.
Oh, mine's not doing that. That sucks. I'm scared it's gonna end up like the Bravada.
Break a tab.
Oh, I broke every tab in the Bravada. The door just, it's barely hung on. Slow. Ugh. God. So did you get the tab to come with the door, or did the tab come out of the...
So I just got to one and I kind of just pried a little bit and it popped right.
Oh, yeah, maybe yours is stronger than mine. I have a metal one somewhere, but I can't find it. Oh, there it goes. Whew, got one. God, that sucks. Oh, there goes two. Then it looks like it is like a truck where you've got to lift it up off the off the windowsill. Oh, I don't know where it is. Why do we want to put speakers in this car? Oh, there we go. I got my hand on it. Oh, there we go. One. Oh, man. Oh, God. I think I got a couple up in the front yet. Don't do what we're doing. Oh, there it goes. As I broke the whole thing. Oh, my door trim piece came off, so that sucks. I hope I can put that back on.
How many tabs were there?
A lot. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 2 in the front. Once you pry on it, you can just pull them straight out. You know what? Let's just take this. We don't even got to take this all the way off. We can do one at a time. Okay. Which way does this go? There it out, dude. I'm ready just to frickin' screw it.
There we go.
Oh, that's no good.
Oh yeah.
Gotta go that way. How's that piece go?
Huh?
The felt. I didn't see how it came out. My felt fell out.
Oh, mine's still hooked up.
I think it goes like this. Well, mine did not. Mine fell out.
Oh, these door lines work.
What?
All these door things work.
See if you can let yours hang. Let's see if we can do this janky and come over here and try to grit this door
I'll
off.
make it easily.
What?
Mine just hangs.
Yeah, I know. You don't want to stress the cables and stuff. I just mean we can get these speakers out ourselves. I think they all just twist in. Well, there's some water down there. Oh, come on, baby. Where's my thing? Whoa. Come on, mug. Oh, don't break on me. Why is it doing that? There it goes. And then they just slide out. So give me your what?
Counterclockwise to release this.
Yeah. Oops.
Do you want me to come and hold it?
What? Hey, look at the other speaker. That came out pretty quick. I mean, so yeah, twist it out. If you get a couple people here, I'm gonna try to just do it in place because I think it just should be quick. At least I'm hoping. And so far, this is really 14 minutes in, and we got both panels. And you really don't need to take it off and undo it. I could, but we're gonna try not to and see what it looks like, how ghetto it could be. And I think all those speakers, Trevor, are the same.
Yeah, they're all the same.
I'm gonna go ahead and put you off for a minute here and be back. So what we got to do? My mounting bracket. I got to mount this to here. Mount that to there. And then my speaker goes there, and when you mount your speaker to the bracket, you run the wires, and they're plug and play up into here. So that's what it looks like with the pokes. Got some pokes. So that's where we're at. I'll see you in a minute. So what I did is I drilled this in. They said that it should work without hitting anything. I'm not sure which one of these screws goes for which. I'm just going to use these short little guys. And we're going to put it in there. Like I was telling Trevor, this isn't no Yukon where it's some thick metal, but it's a nice little work. It's a nice, great little car for what it is. But you got to remember, it's inferior metal. And it really didn't take long. I probably could have stabbed a hole in it with a knife. But yeah, no, this car works great for what it is. So no complaints. Oh man, that's the other ones.
Not going to be able to grab that, are they?
I might have to wash it. I guess I gotta look at the big ones. The big ones got probably bigger heads. I mean, I guess none of them do. What the flip? Unless I put tabs on it. That's stupid. I gotta get washers, really? Unless I drill some freaking holes through the thing, but that's dumb as heck. What the? We'll be back. So right now I'm sort of sad. I had to get new, like some washers. I gotta find out if I got any more. But even these other screws, I think the long ones might be for it, right? They don't go in there. And then these tabs, they're too thick to put it in there. It's weird. I'm sort of sad. It's supposed to be a turnkey from Clutch. So we'll see what we got to do. As the kids nowadays say janky, man. I mean, that's custom. My old school self says custom. All right. So got one. Can I have one of those screws, Trevor? Up there in the truck. Ooh, thank you, baby. So that's a start. I told him we could leave it and be like, burp. It sounds like I'm pumping subs, but yeah, you know, we don't want to be ghetto. But I am pretty much ghetto. I'm just sort of sad. It should have been turnkey, I would have thought. All right, so I got that. Got this bottom one to throw in. Can I have the other one up there? Oh, thanks. So... you're not going to be able to see it. I wonder if I can even get it. Oh. Man, I got to get wet. The garage is all problems with the garage. It's nice and warm in here for the most part. And the floor. Oh, god dang. But yeah, I know you got it. You're good. It's tough to see. Gotta do it blind. Whoa. There it is. Wow. Comical shorts of trying to put this bottom one in. I could see the hole when I bend over and kneel in the water, but I guess that's what I gotta do. We'll be high speeding it. There we go. All right. So I gotta try to find 9 more washers because I needed 12 for this guy. All right, got that piece. Looks good. You put your speaker in somewhere like this, and then it says screw it to it. And yeah, then it should bolt right up. So if you look, it's upside down on the Polk sign, but my speaker wire's got to fish through that. So that's what we're at. Oh, I don't know what should I do that. I scratch it and break them. So we'll see in a second. I didn't think it fit. So yeah, door. They go like that, and it fits the hole, and you could screw it into the thing, and it's a tab bite. So at least we got that with the longs. So yeah, don't mind the improvised, you know, dude over here that custom rigs everything. So yeah, thanks guys. So I opened the tabs up just a bump, but I'm still covering the back of this piece because it's like, like fiberglassy. I don't want to break it. I probably could open them up, bump more, but in my luck, I'll snap it, and then I'll have a broken speaker here. I'm just, like I said, putting a little pressure on it. There we go. So you gotta get it, and walk it in first. We'll get this up in here. All I gotta do is screw it in place, and we'll be good. So this one ain't too bad. I'll just run them. I can even get my drill and just run it in. They're self-tapping. It should work just fine. But I can do it. You should be able to do a screwdriver too. Just goes in there. You could even come through the outside if I want. Oops. Just be careful so you don't overdo it and bust things. Probably could just run a little mark in there with a smaller drill bit, which I should. I'll probably just do that real quick. Be back. All I did is pick one of these little holes, give myself a starter hole so I'm not hurting nothing. See the plastic coming. We'll just take our screws and just walk them in. You just do that so it doesn't break nothing. These will fit just fine in that hole. Plenty of bite left. So yeah, it's simple. And yeah, I'm sort of curious to see how great they'll sound. But, yeah. Nice little buffoon working here on some stuff, man. What the hell? There it goes. It's Polk Audios. There we go. And it just goes like this. Blammo. I could tuck it away. There's really, it's not as neat as the other one, so it'll just fit behind the thing. Let's I'm gonna see what happens here. So now I'm just gonna reassemble the door and go from there.